a present from my mom. She sent me a birthday present, so I am going to open it on camera with you guys. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, look how pretty. There's a card. Look at all those pretty sparkles. Oh, they're so cute. I love this confetti. Look how cute it is. It's all holographic. It's all like, ooh, sparkles. We got a card. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty that card is. It's all like iridescent. It's got pretty flowers on it and sparkles. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Ever since you were a little girl, you've had a good heart and a beautiful spirit, and you've grown up to be a woman who laughs often, cares about others, and does what is right. Every candle on your birthday cake stands for yet another year of finding out just what a remarkable daughter you are. Another year of having you to love and be proud of. I hope all of your wishes come true, because you deserve every beautiful thing that life could ever bring. Happy birthday with all my love. Love, Mom and John. Oh, I love you, Mama. Thank you. I love this card. It's so pretty. I'm going to have to put it on my refrigerator. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's so cute. I love it. I love all of the sparkles. Let's see here. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute, you guys. Oh, it is just the most adorable thing ever. Look, and she's holding the little jack-o'-lantern bell and the little birds on her dress. That is so cute. She's got little sparkles. Oh, love her little face. My mama made me a doll, y'all. It's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love her cute little dress and her little tie and her beautiful little hat. My mama did a good job, y'all. This is so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Look how cute. Ah, I can't get over it. She did such a good job. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, she's perfect. She's perfect for Halloween. She's perfect for my birthday. She's just beautiful. I absolutely love her. Oh, she's so pretty. I love that face, that little pumpkin face. It's absolutely perfect. Oh, this box is trying to fall on me, guys. Ah, look how cute. Sorry guys, I just can't. I just can't. It's so cute. And look at this little spider webby fabric and the little decorations. It's got these little cute little rhinestones on it. It's all gathered up at the neckline. Little hands. I love the little tulle little apron. She's just so cute. Oh, adorable. And it's got some little snaps on the back so that you can take off her dress. How cute. Oh, that is brilliant. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's so cute. I love that she's holding a little jack-o'-lantern bell and the little tiny little buttons on her, or beads on her dress. That is so cute. Thank you, Mom. That is such a cute doll. I will cherish it forever. So cute. Ah, I love her little nose. That is brilliant. Love it. Anyway, thank you guys for opening this present with me. I'm just kind of giddy right now. I hope you guys are having a great week. I am still doing the Halloween birthday challenge giveaway contest thing, not contest, but giveaway. If you guys want to enter that, you can find that announcement video in my video links, or in my video list, and you can still enter that until October 31st. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!